As far as I can...
I don't.
Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, you have
I'm
been
not aware of it.
You have been rightly stumped. Please persist
Therefore,
with your submissions.
Therefore, my question to you is that here we have to look at the word law as used in Article 191, because the rule-making power is conferred by Article 191. So any definition, anything that goes in the Supreme Court Rules 1980 has to be consistent with the language of Article 191.
I'll come to that. My short answer.
Kindly you focus on that.
Yes.
What does law mean over
Yes.
there?
My short answer.
I think council.
Sir, I'll just complete my
I
submission.
think council is entitled to argue any which way they want to.
Achha.
Let us hear you.
Yes.
I have to hear you decide what you say, and if we have already formed opinions, we can reflect them in our judgments. Please continue.
Not a question.
Otherwise, we
I'm sorry,
will
this is
never
not a question
conclude
of
these
forming an
hearings.
opinion. This is a question that, as a judge of the court sitting on this bench, I am entitled to ask.
Of course,
counsel.
ask it. Let the
So I'm
council
asking
finish
the
his submissions.
If I'm interrupted all the time, I'm sorry to say, sir, that is not proper.
I think the interruption is of
I'm
learned
asking-
council.
I'm
Chale
asking
learned council, aap aage बढ़ें.
I am asking counsel a question, which is my right to ask the counsel. If he wants to answer
After
it,
he
doesn't
concludes
answer
his
it.
submissions with
If
the
he
greatest
wants
of
to or
respect.
doesn't want to, that's his issue. That's not my issue. You understood the question now?
My lord, I'll address that question. Let me just finish this submissions on competence and then I'll address this question. My lord, so I think there can be no doubt about